Hello and welcome to this video on Big Bang Data-centric migration strategy or approach. Resuming PLM data migration strategies in earlier video, we jump into the details of Big Bang Data-centric strategy or approach in this part. In Big Bang Data-centric strategy or approach, we'll explore a typical migration timeline derived from a sample data. Then talk about pros and cons of the strategy. Big Bang Data-centric migration approach involves migrating the entire data from the source system to the target system in a single decisive move. In this case, users are either on board before bulk migration or during migration, as it doesn't matter much because the target system is locked until production go, no-go decision is made. However, it demands extensive preparation, covering data readiness, infrastructure readiness, and logistics planning. It's particularly well-suited for small organizations with less data to be migrated. This is also the most economic migration strategy if planned, architected and executed perfectly. But, given its comprehensive nature, a robust rollback plan is essential to be able to resume work in source system during unexpected challenges. We will be talking about stages of migration and their timeline for same sample data selected for all the strategies, to illustrate the differences, pros and cons in a simplified manner. The actual data migration kicks off with architecting solution and design and development of the same. Time and efforts involved in development and testing of migration solution for this approach are the least in comparison to the others. This is because the toolset and processes involved in migration are meant to migrate all the data in one go, while inevitable leftover data is handled manually. Moreover, because all data is migrated in one go, the entire toolchain is developed comprehensively and rigorously tested well, in advance of the pre-production migration. This meticulous preparation ensures that the migration tool chain and process are robust and reliable for production migration. In pre-prod migration and testing phase, the entire data in scope of migration comes into play. It's a comprehensive assessment of the success rate and any potential issues before the actual production migration takes place. Think of it as a dress rehearsal, ensuring that everything is in order before the main show. Projects might have one or more of such rehearsals based on the complexity and requirement. One of the key aspects for successful migration is the rigorous testing. A major chunk of business users are actively involved in this phase. They put the system through its paces, examining how it handles real-world scenarios and challenges. As a result of this rigorous testing, any errors or issues that arise are promptly reported. This report helps in final round of error fixing that ensures the system is in its best possible shape for the production migration. In the production migration phase, both the source and target systems are temporarily blocked to ensure a smooth and interference-free migration. This strategy induces a significantly high blackout period in comparison to other approaches, as the data migration starts only after locking the users in source system. The downtime is also called a blackout period, as nobody else data migration team will have idea about things done. A critical go, no-go decision is awaiting in the end to determine the success, following which the normal operations are resumed in the new system. This strategy demands a big support team for post-migration handholding, for a short duration until all the business users get acquainted with the new system. Additionally, a robust rollback or mitigation plan remains a prerequisite. While we strive for a seamless migration, having a contingency plan in case of unexpected issues is a strategic safety net. The entire data and user base are involved in it, thus rollback invites a tried and tested large-scale actions that are time-bound. In essence, post-migration support is about having right people and plans in place to ensure smooth transition of both go and no-go decisions. Talking about pros of this strategy. It is the most simplified approach technically, as the solution only includes migration of all the data at once with no scope for incremental data migration, thus it is suitable for small and less complex requirements. This simplified construct aids in making it the fastest of all the other approaches. Since this approach includes the toolset designed to migrate data only once, it makes it the most economical too. Cons of this strategy are the highest go-live downtime that it induces, where users are locked in both the systems until no-go decision is made post-migration. Adaptability of the entire user base to the new system will impact product development timeline, so it also demands a reasonably huge team to support users post-go-live. With users waiting to resume work in target system, there's substantial risk if not executed perfectly for any unforeseen reasons. Thus, this approach involves rigorous testing from all the departments using the migrated data. This approach is usually not suitable for the migration projects that are a part of digital transformation, where the migration timeline is dependent on many other factors. In summary, Big Bang data migration offers speed and simplicity but requires thorough planning and testing to address its challenges. We are covering Big Bang user-centric migration strategy or approach in more detail in the upcoming videos. We provide services to these Siemens products, and also, we developed our own SmartPort application to automate issue reports and resolution. Please visit our Team Center and NX helpline, which is free and open to all PLM community. Here you will get instant expert assistance, guidance and best practices for your organization. You can also email us on below mentioned email ID. Thank you for watching this video.